Lili Mobile Bank. We're going to be talking about this. I am strictly on the application right now. This is not a sponsored video, but I am looking for another bank. Before we get into this video, I do want to let you guys know, if you guys still want to be entered in my giveaway, you guys have until the end of the month. That's when I'll be doing that giveaway. I like to do Cash Apps, PayPals. You know, if you guys got CHIME, just depending on what you guys got, it's my way of giving back to you guys. You guys know, since my last name is Banks, we got to review this bank, right? Now, this is a mobile bank. Now, with this mobile bank, there is no physical bank that you guys can actually go into. And I'm hearing this is strictly for like freelancers. This is helping people manage their money and things like that. We're going to get to these details. If you guys have this bank, feel free to drop your comments below. I am new to this bank, so I legitimately don't know anything about this bank as far as, you know what I mean, what they offer besides what we're going to get into. Now, once again, drop the comments below. What bank do you have? And if you have this bank, what are some good, you know what I mean, what are your takeaways from this bank, right? Let me know. Now, according to Apple, they have a 4.7 out of a 5-star review or rating, we should say. So that is good to also look at. They're number 136 on a finance chart. And there's a lot of good takeaways with this. Now, just like other banks, you know, we may encounter in 2021, you will get paid earlier. It looks like you'll get paid 2 days earlier. So if you set up direct deposit and get your money up to 2 days earlier, and it just shows you that there is 0 account fees, no monthly maintenance fees, which is always good because we know some bank accounts, they actually charge you to hold your own money. So let's say if you guys got Chase, right? Chase will actually charge you to hold your money with the maintenance fees. So there's 0 maintenance fees. There's no minimum balance required. Plus there's free cash withdrawals at 32,000 ATMs. There's no ACH bank transfer fees, and there's no foreign transaction fees. So if you guys are shopping overseas, you guys are going overseas, whatever the case may be, there is no fees when it comes to that. Just like the traditional banks, there are those fees. So if you guys got a traditional bank, once again, there are those fees. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? You guys got overdraft fees, you know, transaction fees, maintenance fees. So they're stating with Lili Bank, there is no fees required. Now they're saying save on taxes with real-time expense management and auto-generated tax sheets. So if you're a freelancer and you guys, you know, gotta do your taxes, right? There's documents within this application that actually helps you track and auto-generate those tax sheets, which is a plus to the independent contractor, you know, to the freelancer, right? Now they say understand your numbers, spend smarter. So basically, it'll show you what you spent and how you spent it through that month. So if you spent $2,000 in October, it'll break down how much you spent at work, how much was spent, you know, on life, then the unknown. Now it says the responsible thing, set aside your tax money into a sub account. Now I'm hearing with this sub account is basically when you towards the end of the year we got to pay taxes. They're stating that you can actually put a percentage aside. Now that is one of the features I am looking forward to using, just based on it looks like it's going to be an easier way to track your taxes and everything. Now it says your cash for free ATM withdrawals at 32,000 locations. That is based on your location. Every location is different, so I can't tell you exactly where those are at, but I'm pretty sure within the application it will let you know where you can actually withdraw your money out for free. And lastly, it says do your thing, we'll do the rest. Get your Lili account in less than 3 minutes. So we're going to sign up. If you guys got questions, as I mentioned, feel free to drop them below. I will try my best to answer them, especially when it comes to this bank. This is mainly for freelancers, independent contractors, 9-to-5ers with a side hustle. It says say hello to Lili, an all-in-one online bank account designed specifically for you. As we mentioned, there's no account fees. It's your money. You shouldn't have to pay for it. A Lili account has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. You can withdraw your cash for free at more than 38,000 ATMs across the U.S. with your free Visa business debit card. So you're going to get a business card, and that's actually, that's pretty cool, right? Get a business card. Get paid 2 days earlier. It's your money. You shouldn't have to wait for it. When you are paid via direct deposit, you can access your money up to 2 days earlier, other than obviously like a traditional bank we talked about. They got automatic savings. You can manage work and life from one account. And there's a fully mobile banking experience. As I mentioned, there's no physical bank you can actually go to. You know, it's 2021. A lot of these newer banks, which this was funded in 2018, but a lot of these newer banks is strictly online, right? There's no physical bank that you go into, which is good and bad. You know, the traditional bank, you can actually go there, you can talk to somebody if you need help, but they're making banking very, very easy. Now, as we know, that could be a good and bad thing. You know, a lot of people like the traditional bank. A lot of people like to go in to these certain banks. And that's really one of the takeaways a lot of people have been talking about, especially discussing with me, is that giveaway, that takeaway of, should I even sign up for these newer banks? Because as we mentioned, you got banks like CHIME, you got banks like Lili, who actually strictly online. You know, it's an online banking app. You know what I mean? That's actually revolutionary. That's new day. That's a newer day age. You know what I mean? Because eventually, I don't know, maybe in future lifetimes, but we may not see traditional banks around anymore. You know, so it's a newer way of doing this. But also just keep in mind that you don't have anyone that you can actually go talk to. But I'm pretty sure they have a contact where you can actually contact somebody online. So everything's gonna be strictly online. It is insured up to $250,000. So if you guys have that in your account, you will be insured. So no money is going to be lost. If anything happens, you will be insured. And lastly, they say, welcome to the Lili community. With Lili, it's not all about the money. You have priority access to a library of tips and articles to help you grow your freelance business, optimize your taxes, and find that work balance we are looking for. Plus, if you spread the word, you can earn up to $250 with our referral program and enjoy many exclusive contests throughout the year. So that's also a plus as well. If you guys want to download this application, feel free to download this application. I will put the link in the description, and I'll actually pin the link in the comment section. But yeah, feel free to drop your comments and questions below. As I mentioned, I'm going to download this application, and I will actually keep you guys updated because I am actually interested in figuring out and wanting to know what this bank has to offer. You know what I mean? What the differences are between this bank. Now, if you guys got questions, feel free to drop them below. We're going to actually download this here in a minute. So yeah, let's go. And as you guys can see, it is downloading. And as you guys can see, it is downloading. And as you guys can see, it is downloading. I'm going to download this application, and I will actually keep you guys up.